So this is 5.5 problem set, pre-algebra, having to do with ratios and proportions. In this particular one, we're dealing with similar figures. Now, if you look at number 2, it gives us a triangle here where this is 18 and this is x, and then it gives me a 15 and a 10. All right, now they want you to set up a proportion and find the unknown right there. So there's two different ways you can do this. You can compare two sides of the each triangle. 18 is to 15 as x is to 10. Okay, so we've got this triangle across the top, this triangle across the bottom. That's one way of doing it. Another way that you could do it and get the same answer is we could do 18 is to x and use this triangle, and look on the right and use this triangle and put all of it over there. So notice what I did there. I've got 18 is to x. This triangle on the left is what we have over here. And this one over here, notice that I have an 18 for my hypotenuse here. I use my 15 for my hypotenuse and put it there. So they're the same side, similar sides there. And then you've got your x, your vertical x here, and your vertical line here, which is 10, and you cross multiply. So notice when you cross multiply here, you get 18 times 10. When you cross multiply here, you get 18 times 10. So it doesn't really matter one way or the other. It still will work. Let's jump up to one like number 9, though. It looks kind of goofy because looks like it's a hexagon. And it's saying that that's 50 and that's 40. And this little one is 40 and this one's y. Well, let's put an equal sign here and let's write it as 40 over 50, this one, and the other one would be y over 40, this one. Cross multiply, 50y equals 160, divide by 50, divide by 50, those go away, and then you solve from there. So you're just comparing two different figures there for the numbers 1 through 10. And when you get down to the story problems, bottom of the section of 5.5, just like we did with the violin and the cello, only you've got a bass there which is a little bit bigger. We've got screen resolution for number 24, which we did one similar to that. 27 is the height of a tree. So we did one like that. We've got, well, it looks like pretty much everything follows what we've already done in the lecture. So I think you'll be just fine with that one.